This slide and the following 3 slides form what is called the Innovation Profile Inventory Self-Assessment. Sounds like a long name. It means something very simple. It means, for you as an innovator, what is the way in which you innovate? I won't spoil it here and tell you what your personal inventory is, but I'm going to discuss instead the background of the development of the inventory assessment tool in the first place. Psychologists love something called a magic square. And a magic square is a cross-section of 2 different polar extremes of personality traits. What we have in the Innovation Profile Inventory are 2 traits, and we examine the extent to which the extremes of these traits cross each other and impact the way in which we innovate. The first trait is very simple. It is the courage to fail. And here, we're looking at the following question. To what extent does the individual exhibit a consistent tendency to both seek out and accept failure when it comes to them? And to what extent does an individual embrace situations where they may fail in their tasks? The second attribute of the magic square is a very weird concept called tactileness. And by tactileness, we mean the extent to which the individual engages in things that, to put it in a grammar school sense, make their hands get dirty. Is the person someone who sticks their hands in the car engine? Do they use glue? It sounds like a funny term, but the idea of tactileness refers to the extent to which individuals engage at a hands-on level and perceive innovation through that sort of physical interaction with materials and materiality. What we discover is that as you go through the Innovation Profile Inventory, the intersection of these 2 traits produces 4 very, very useful and descriptive behavioral categories that we can use to help managers more effectively understand the underlying needs of their employees and the way in which those needs translate into effective innovation behaviors in the workplace.